Hi everyone, welcome to the Basics of Maths Unit Test 1 solution video. So as you know that I conducted a free Basics of Maths series, particularly for those students who are from non-mathematics background or the one who wanted to improve their mathematics. And after every session I used to provide a free unit test. In case if you haven't taken that, then you can check the description of this video and you will find the link of those tests. So you can take that link and then you can watch this video to understand the shortcuts to approach those questions. The first test was mainly about calculation techniques, how to quickly add the numbers or how to multiply the numbers, and the shortcuts of square and multiplication that I taught. So yes, this is what we are going to apply. So let's see how to solve the question, guys. Right, so here is the first question, which was about simple addition, and we'll just add them in a simple manner. It's addition subtraction, so we need to find out the result. So 1234 plus 2345. So 2300 plus 1200 is 3500 and 34 plus 45 is 79. So I can say this is going to be 3579. Okay, minus 3456. So let's 3456. So let's solve this part first. So 3579 minus 3456. So we can easily make out this is 123 because 35 minus 3400 is 100, 79, 56 is 23. I'm doing simple calculation, okay? And we need to add this 123 in 4567. So 123 plus 4567 is, it's going to be 4690. So this is the answer for the first question. So once again, I'm teaching something that you would have learned in the primary school, right? But yes, it's important for you to recollect all these calculation techniques and put your hand on that. Remember, only CAT exam has calculator. No other exams have has that calculator facility. So yeah, work on that. Now let's look at the second question. What are the last two digits of 347 into 272? Now you need to remember this rule that whenever you want to find out last two digits of any multiplication or addition, you need to look at just last two digits of the number. So we need to find out last two digits of this multiplication, 47 into 72. Now if you remember, I had taught one crisscross method. I also call it rainbow method. So as per that method, what you'll do is you'll multiply 7 with 2. So it will be 14. So we'll put 4 over here. 1 is my carry. Now I'll create a rainbow. 7 7s are 49 plus 4 2s are 8. 49 plus 8, 57 plus 1, 58. So we are going to put 8 over here. So last two digits of this multiplication should be 48. Have you all understood this, guys? Quickly confirm. Sorry, it should be 84. 84. Are we clear? Right. In case if you didn't get this point, then please check my video of Basics of Maths session 1. Once again, I provided the complete playlist of all the videos in the description. So you can also check the description. Now let's take the third question. 55 square plus 85 square. So guys, we will use base 50 method for this and base 100 method for this. So 50 or yes, here instead of using base 50, we can use that method for numbers ending with 5, squares of the numbers ending with 5. So 55 square, as I mentioned earlier also, 5 square is 25 and 5 multiplied with the next number, that is 6. 5 6 are 30. So this will be 3025 plus 85 square, 8 9s are 72 and 25. So 25 plus 25, of course, it's going to be 50, and 7200 plus 3000. So it's going to be 10,200, right? So it's going to be 10,250. So I really hope you have understood this, guys. Yes, okay. Now let's look at one more question. The next question is about simple subtraction. Now in subtraction, we can use that method called milestone method. So I can assume one number as a reference. I can take up one number as a reference. So I'm taking, my numbers are 1294 minus 596. So let me take 600 as my reference number. So this is 4 away from 600 and this is 694 away from 600. So 694 plus 4, it's going to be 698. So this difference is 698. You can keep one number as a reference in order to quickly subtract two numbers. Okay, now let's look at the next question. How many perfect square numbers divide both 144 and 216? Now guys, we need to, this is based on factors. Okay, so in the first video, we haven't discussed the concept of factors, but you would remember basics of factors. So guys, we can easily make out 1 divides both of this, then the next perfect square number is 4. 4 divides both of this, then the next perfect square number is 9. 9 also divide both of this. Then what about 16? Yes, 16 also divides. If we look at numbers further, so do we have any number which divides both of this? Yes, I can think of one more number. It will be 36. So 36 also divides both of this. 36 6 are 216, and yes, 36 4s are 144, right? 16 doesn't divide 216, guys. 16 doesn't divide 216, so 16 would not be there. 1 4 9 and 36, so these are the two numbers. So once we'll discuss concept of HCF LCM, I'll also help you understand this. In such scenario, you can just find out the HCF first, which is 36, and then you can figure out what are the perfect square factors of 36. So that's another way of doing it, right? Now let's look at one more question, guys. Right, so now this is a simple question. A, B, C are three friends. They exchange the marble as mentioned below. First, A gives B half the number of marbles he had and one marble to C. So A, B and C. Okay, so suppose A had 2x marbles, so he gave x marbles to B and one more marble to C. Okay, then he repeats the same process one more time. If A is left with no marble, how many marbles did he start with? Now shall we make the equation, or should we directly solve? I mean, there are a couple of ways, so you can do it once again, but then here now it will become complicated, making it half and then subtracting 1. So guys, we can use slightly a different approach. What we can do over here is we can start backward. Don't use this method. At the end, A has 0 marbles. A is left with 0 marble. Let me just write over here. A is left with 0 marble. Before that, he had given 1 marble to C. So we will add 1. See, whatever we have done, we'll do reverse of that. Okay. Before giving to C, A had given half the marble to B. So here we'll make it double, because opposite of half is double. So that means after first cycle, A must have 2 marbles. Okay. Then once again he is starting with 2 marbles. He is giving 1 marble to C, and then before that he is giving half the marble to B. So that means he must have started with 6 marbles. So this is how you can do it in the reverse order. I really hope you have understood this. This is a slightly tricky question. Think it once again. Okay, focus on the words that focus on the points that I have mentioned, that start from the end, and whatever you have done, you just try to do opposite of that. At the end, I had 0 marble, or A had 0 marble. Before that, he had given 1 marble to C, so add 1 to 0. Then whatever you get, just make it double, because before giving to C, he had given half the marble to B. So opposite of making half is making it double. So this is what I'm doing, right? So answer for this question will be 6. Now let's look at other question. Simple multiplication of this number. We can use something called base 100 method for multiplication, as I have taught in the very first session. For multiplication, please check the first 2 sessions. You will understand all these methods. Okay, so in base 100 method multiplication, what we do is we compare each number with the base, that is 100. So 108 is 8 more than 100, 102 is 2 more than 100. So just multiply this to 8 2s are 16 and add this surplus in the first number. So 108 plus 2 is 110. So answer is 11016. We could have also done it directly. 8 2s are 16 and 108 plus 2 110. This is how we could have done it directly. Okay. Now here is one subtraction and then multiplication. So let's try to do it, guys. 10531 plus 4813 minus 728. Okay, is equal to 87 into what? Right. Now this looks like a slightly complicated calculation. Since we don't have any option or something, we can't check by digits and all. So let's just do a simple addition subtraction. First, what we'll do is we'll subtract this number from this one. So if I subtract 700 from 4800, I'll be left with 4100. So 4113. I need to further subtract 28 out of that. So I'll be left with 4085. Okay, now I need to add 4085 in 10,531. So this total will come out to be what? 10,000 plus 4,000, 14,000 plus 531, 14,000 plus 531 plus 85. So it's going to be 616. 616. So we have 14616, and we need to find out value over here. So we need to divide this one by 87. Okay, so once we divide by 87, we'll straight away get result. I mean, there is no any special method for this, so you will have to do simple calculation. Okay, so this will come out to be 168, right? Now, yes, what is 394 times 113? Now, there is a shortcut for this question. Rather than multiplying two numbers in a complicated manner, either you can go for approximation if there is a provision of doing some approximation. Otherwise, if you want to get accurate answer, there is a way. Guys, 394 can be written as 400 minus 6 into 113. Now, this will simplify our question. 113 4s are 452. 00 as it is, minus 1136 are 678. So guys, 45,200 minus 678, what are we going to get? This is what we need to find out. 45,200 minus 678. So it will be yeah, so this will come out to be, if I subtract 600, it will be 44,600, 44,522. right? 44522. This is what our subtraction going to be, right? So this is how you can do it accurately. Make sure that you are not committing any mistakes. Now look at this question. Some students were standing in row column formation on a parade ground. The number of students in each row and each column were same, with each row having 2n plus 1 students. That means there are odd number of students in each row. Now it's a square formation. So if there are odd number of students in each row, that means there should be odd number of columns. So if this is x, this is x, so x has to be odd number. This is what it says. So we can say x square. This value is between 1000 and 1100. So we know only one number, 1089, which is 33 ka square. Okay, so you can quickly figure out this thing by a little trial and error. I'm sure you understand 30 square is 900, 31 square is 961, 32 square is 1024, 33 square 1089, 34 square 1156, and so on and so forth, right? So you can quickly calculate this value should be 33. There should be 33 students in each column. Okay, right. Now how to do this multiplication? Okay, we are given options. I'll always check for last digit or last two digits. Unfortunately, my last digits are same in 3 options. My last 2 digits are also same in 2 options. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be a little tricky. So what can we do? So what I'll do is 6 into 66. Okay, into 666. This is how I'll consider this question, because 6 into 66 is 396, and I need to multiply 396 with 666. Now 396 can be written as 400 minus 4, and this is what going to make our question easier. Now 666 into 4. What is 666 into 4? Can we say it is 2664? So this multiplication will be 266400 minus 2664. So it's 2,66,400 minus 2664. So this, if you solve this, it will come out to be 263736. Option D will be correct for this one. Have you all understood this, guys? Yes? Okay, do let me know in the comment section, how are you finding this video? Are you finding this video solutions helpful? Should I come up with more videos? Because you know, it should not be wastage of efforts. If you feel that sir, solutions are sufficient enough, don't put so much efforts. So I'll not do it, guys. Please let me know in the comment section. Moreover, before proceeding further, guys, just want to quickly tell you, I mean, in case if you are looking for comprehensive preparation and spending 22,000 for preparation is not a challenge for you, you can go for plus or iconic subscription of Unacademy using my code SHAR10. That's not compulsory, but yeah, if you're looking for some kind of mentoring and guidance and comprehensive preparation, it is advisable that you go for plus or iconic course in case if you haven't enrolled anywhere, right? So you can do it, and do let your friends know. Make sure to apply this code SHAR10. Okay. Now guys, how to solve this question? Once again, our milestone method will come handy over here. So yeah, let me use my numbers are 3486 minus 2391. Okay, so I can take 2400, the number in between. So this is 9, and this is going to be 1086. So it's going to be 1095. Just add these two numbers, 9 plus 1086. So it's going to be 1095. Very simple calculation. You could have done it directly also. 108 square, guys. Yeah, 11664. Please check base 100 method. Similarly, I don't need to explain that. The whole video is there. Link is in the description. 66 square base 50 method. It's going to be base 50 method. So this is 16 more than 50. So 16 square, and this will be 25 plus 16. Of course, we can do it in mind also. So this is 41 and this is 256. So 2 carried over. So it will be 4356. Right? Similarly, 348 plus 56, I mean, this is a very easy question. So it's going to be 404. Simple addition. Are we clear? Guys, question 16. Now, this is a slightly tricky question, a big addition. So how to add such numbers in case if you ever come across such situation. So guys, just check how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So can I say the first column addition will be 8 6 are 48. So 8 over here, 6 is my carry. Now second column addition will be 8 5 are 40 plus 6, 46. Now 4 will be my carry. Okay. Guys, I have committed some mistake. Right. 8 6 are 48. 8 over here, 4 is my carry. 8 5 are 40 plus 4, 44. So 4 over here, 4 is my carry. Okay. Then 8 4s are 32 because each time 1 8 will get reduced. So 8 4s are 32 plus 4 36. 6 over here, 3 is my carry. 8 3s are 24. Yeah. 8 3s are 24 plus 3 27. 7 over here, 2 is my carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. 1 is my carry. 8 plus 1 9. So it's going to be 9,87,648. Right? So 9,87,648. Are we clear, dosto? So try to find out some or other method. What is the last digit of this product? Very simple. 6 7s are 42. Last digit has to be 2. How will you solve this, guys? You will have to use board mass whenever there are addition, multiplication, division and all. So first we'll solve multiplications and then we'll add them. So 71 into 29. Once again, what you can do is 71 into 30 minus 71 kar do. So this is a better way. So 71 3s are 2190, 2190 minus 71. So this is going to be 2119. Isn't that? Plus 27 into 15. This is very simple. 27 10s are 270 plus half of 270, 135. So 270 plus 135, 405. 405 plus 32. So guys, you will get straight away this summation as 2496. We can easily make out okay, this is going to be 2400. Yeah, just a moment. This is different. Oh, 2190, 71 3s. Guys, this is 2130. Yeah, this is the mistake. 2130 minus 71. Okay, right. So this is a small mistake. Yeah, so you will get 2496 as the answer. 88 square. So we know 7744. Very simple. 7744. Why? Because 88 is 12 less than 50. So 12 square and 25 minus 12. Oh, sorry. We'll have to use base 100 method. So it will be 88 minus 12. Okay. So this is 76 and 144. 1 carried over. So 7744. Right. Sure. 93 square, guys. Very simple. 8649. Similar method. 87 into 94. We can use base 100 for multiplication. 87 is 13 less than 100. 94 is 6 less than 100. So simply multiply this is 78 and subtract from 87 81. So 8178. 52 67. Once again, I mean for such multiplication you really don't need to do use any method. Just do it normally, guys. I mean you can also do it this way. 67 into 50. 67 into 50 plus 67 into 2. So this is one way of doing it and you will get answer for this question as 3844. 3484. Okay, just multiply them, guys, simply. 116 square. So once again it's going to be 13456. Why? Because base 100 method, 16 more than 100. 116 plus 16, so 132, and 16 square is 256, 2 carried over, so it will be 13456. Something special, 13456, isn't that? What is the last digit? 6 sevens are 42, so 2 into 8, 16, so last digit will be 6. Similarly, 96 into 91, minus 4, minus 9, minus 4, minus 9, positive 36, and 96 minus 9, it's 87, so 8736. Now look at this question. This is represented just in a complicated manner, but it's very simple question. 24 plus 25 plus 26, it's 75. So 75 square minus 10 plus 20, 30 plus 25. Yeah, just a moment, guys. Right, so this is going to be 55 square, isn't that? So 75 square minus 55 square, the best way is 75 plus 55 into 75 minus 55. Very easy. So 75 minus 55, it's going to be 20 into, this is going to be 130. So this is going to be how much? 2600. What is the number of distinct prime factors of this product? Number of distinct prime factors of this one. Prime factors ka hai. Okay, so can I say 37 is one prime number? Then 22, what is 22? It's 2 into 11, so 2 is one prime number or one prime factor. 11 is there. 34 is 2 into 17, so 17 is also there. So there are 4 prime factors. Yeah, what about this simplification? Now guys, for this one we can use a slightly different approach. What I'll do is I'll just add right side numbers. 7300 plus 700 is 8000, and 37 plus 37, 74. So 8074. And if I subtract this 807 from 4 times 8, so what will I get? I'll get 814 plus 848 plus 88. This is going to be my answer. This should be the value over here, right? So 814 plus 84, it's going to be 898 plus 88 is 9. 898 plus 88, 986. Okay, so this is your answer. The answer for this question should be, are we missing something? Just a moment. 800, oh sorry guys, this is 848, right? 848. So actually if we solve this, it will come out to be 1750. Correct. Similarly, you can address this question. I mean, see, if I look at this question by last 2 digits itself, I can figure out 99 minus 44, it's 55. 55 minus 22, it's 33. So my left hand side has 33. So right hand side should have, can I say 55 minus 22 will be 33. So it should be 55 in place of question mark, right? Okay. And guys, one last question. This can be solved by algebraic identity. So let's assume that 768 is equal to A and 232 is equal to B. So this is like A cube plus B cube divided by A square minus AB plus B square. Do you remember algebraic identities, guys? So this will be A plus B in the bracket A square minus AB plus B square divided by A square minus AB plus B square. So definitely this part will get cancelled off and your final answer will be equal to sum of these two numbers, which is 1000. So yes, this is how you should have answered all this question. It should have taken approximately 15 minutes time, guys, and that was the time allotted for the test. Okay, so if required, you can revisit all the concepts once again. In case if you have scored very less in the first attempt, something like say out of 30, if you have scored less than 15, you should revisit, you should watch the first 2 videos once again and then take the test once again. It's available n number of times, right? So guys, keep learning and do let me know in the comment section how are you finding this video. Is it helpful? Should I create more videos? So please let me know. That's it, guys.